Montreal. So we just checked out at the W Hotel in Montreal and then we're driving to Quebec City. It will be around less than 3 hours. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So we check out at the W Montreal and drive about 3 hours and now we're in Quebec City. So I picked to stay at the Marriott Hotel at Old Quebec City and I booked a 1-bedroom suite. Of course, a lot of people would like to book the Fairmont Hotel, which is a famous hotel here in Quebec City. But we have stayed at the Fairmont before, and because it's the Labor Day long weekend, I checked the standard room, which is only 18 square meter, costs about 700 Canadian dollar plus. So I decided to book this Marriott 1-bedroom suite, which is actually cheaper, than the standard room at the Fairmont, and we have booked to have the Sunday brunch at the Fairmont Hotel tomorrow. So we are going to visit the hotel again. So anyway, I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So Marriott is only a 4-star hotel here, but it's very conveniently located in Old Quebec City. So walking in is the living room area with the work desk. The interesting thing is they do have a work lamp, which we cannot find at the W Montreal, that my husband, need to do some work at night, and it's pretty dark at that hotel. But at least, at this hotel, it's a proper work lamp and desk. Okay, very basic silver is all right. And then this is for the iron board. And I can put a piece of luggage here. And then they do have an espresso coffee machine, and I just checked, they don't have like a fully stocked mini bar. It's really a mini fridge that you can stock up yourself. They do have the safe deposit box. And then the TV and such, and then they have the door that can separate the living room with the bedroom, so it can be a separate area. Okay, so moving in, they have a small closet area here, and they don't have bathrobe, they don't have slippers even for the 1-bedroom suite. Of course, we can request it, but it's not in the room. And then some hangers here, another desk here, another TV here, the rack for luggage. The bed is still very good, the thick mattress, the linen is still very good for like a Marriott hotel. And then it was raining all day today, so just to give you a quick view of this room. Okay, moving right along to the bathroom is actually very decent size, although only a single sink, but they do have a big rain shower, and this is the amenities, and then also with the hair dryer. So when I check in, I ask if they have club lounge here for Bonvoy Elite members, and the receptionist laughed and said there is no club lunch here. So, but we can enjoy the breakfast tomorrow morning at the restaurant with the coupon, as well as 2 welcome drinks while we are here. And then this is the breakfast coupon. Okay, so we'll show you, we'll be here for 2 nights. So we'll show you the breakfast tomorrow morning and the day after. And then on a different video, I'm going to show you the Fairmont Hotel where we will have the Sunday brunch. So follow us. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Comment, like, and share. Really appreciate it. Good morning. So that is the Marriott Quebec City, and this is the arch. So it's very close, or actually in the heart of the old Quebec City. That's where the hotel is located.